What is going on, guys? It's RDN Racing here, back with another YouTube video today. Today we just got this Hot Wheels premium car culture team transport vehicle. This is the 32 Ford, and this is a gift from me from my friend, so thank you so much for that. It's a real rider from metal, and here's the back of the card. Just quickly browse through. We have the 32 Ford, the Volkswagen, the Dodge Challenger, as well as the BMW. The card's really, it's a very good card. It's not as flimsy as normal Hot Wheels cards. And just one more look before we go on to open the package. Now I am using a pen knife, so this is a safety warning. If and when you use pen knives, please be careful, because you don't really want to hurt yourself while using a pen knife. So stay safe out there and take care of yourself. So here we're just cutting and I had a hard time removing the car from the box because I wasn't sure of how well it was attached to the card. But here you go, the 32 Ford with the carrier as well. And let's just have a look around. It comes with a plastic case. Oops, I almost dropped the car, but it comes with a plastic case, and it's, I guess, to protect the car, which it does protect the car. It's sturdy, it's good. So it's in good hands. So here, let us remove the car and the trailer from the box and have a more detailed run through of the entire vehicle. So here we have it together. I really like the paint job, the combination of blue and orange. It looks really nice. It has a very classic vibes to both the trailer as well as the Ford car as well. So just run around, and then we'll start to individually look at them. So here's the car, and let's look at that first. A very nice custom car. We can see the engine with the 8 exhaust pipes, or is it? We have the 8 exhaust pipes as well, metallic base, which is always a nice thing to see with Hot Wheels. Rubber tires as well, with rubber treads. These are really one of my favorite things about Hot Wheels premium from the premium line edition cars. And the 32 decal, honestly, it looks really amazing, and for the price point, I think this is one of the best purchases I've had. And now we're going to look at the trailer. Do I really call it a trailer? What would we really call it? I'm not really sure. I guess maybe a hauler, I guess. But here the base is plastic. It's not as much metal as I thought it would be. The rubber treads on the tires as well, and at the top there are the grooves, which I'll get to it in a bit. Really nice paint job. They tried a two-tone blue with that grey wheel, I guess. And here we're going to try out the slot on which the back tires actually rest. And if you realize, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt, and actually it surprisingly holds a relatively well tilt angle, which means the car wouldn't, in my display stand, it won't slide off. So that's a good relief. And here, just a little close-up shot on the vehicle in its original position. I really like this purchase, and I think it's one of my nicest purchase. It's always nice to have a team transport vehicle, and hopefully in the future we're gonna buy more, and of course review them and share them here with you guys in my YouTube channel. But here's just another with my flash on to just to emulate the job of this car. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.